Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Telegram bot without coding. First, you need this bot. Name is ManyBot. Simply start the bot like this. Select your language. Now you can create bot. Now click on create bot or /add bot. This say go to bot father and send me the token. Start the bot. Send new bot. Your bot name. Now send your bot username. Now copy the API token. Okay, then go to ManyBot. Click on I have copied the API token. Now send the API token. Congratulations, the bot is made. Now send me description of your bot. Okay, now we go to our bot. Others user can't see this post and this commands. There is one more feature, that is you can see how many people start your bot, and you can also broadcast to your subscribers. Like this. This post has been sent to all subscribers. Now how to create custom command. Click on create new command. Now add any your materials. Now click on save. If you want to add this button to menu, click on config main menu, add menu button, choose your command, title. Now if any people start your bot, if anybody start your bot, you see this message. First your description, second you added commands like I add my stickers. If anybody click here, you send all data. You can also create like you can also add photos, videos, media, etc, etc. Like I save this. Goodbye. In this video you see how to create file store bot without coding. You can also add any file. Go back. Bot working fine. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.